What's good, people? You back with Streetz, Freestyle cooking with Streetz. You know what it is. Got another dinner I'm going to share with y'all. Thanks for tuning in. You know how I do. Always got something good, always got something great. So tonight, we going to do buffalo wings, man. Street style, creamy buffalo wings. That's how we doing it, y'all. Okay? And I'm going to do some sausage and beans. Alright? So, we about to get into this. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. As you can see, I started cutting my wings in half. That's how we're going to do it. This is one pack, maybe a couple of pounds. I just went to the market and got a pack. I'm just going to cut my wings like that, y'all. Cut my wings like that and cut the tips off. Right? Alright, y'all. I got my chicken wings cut up. Ready to get these buffalo wings popping. I just seasoned it with a little bit of kosher salt, black pepper, and I use my roasted garlic and bell pepper seasoning. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm hooking it up, y'all. Okay? Because I'm about to make a wash so I can dredge my chicken in, and I'm going to season that a little bit as well. So if you just want to put salt and pepper on that, that's cool. But the wash is where we're going to really get the stuff that we want in the chicken going on. Alright? Let's keep it moving. Alright, y'all. We're ready to make the wash to dread our chicken in. So how I do mine is, I'm going to use I got about a third cup of flour. That's it. Got 1 egg. I got some half and half. And some water, y'all. Alright. And I'm going to just go ahead and mix this together till it's real smooth. Yep, mix this together till it's real smooth, y'all. Alright, that's like how I want it. I'm going to go ahead and season this up. I'm going to go ahead and add my slap your mama. Add my slap your mama seasoning to that. Okay. Now I'm going to add some of my Montreal chicken seasoning. Alright. And some garlic sriracha. Give it that nice little oomph that I like in my chicken. You know what I mean? Alright. Put another half teaspoon of salt. That's it. That's a half teaspoon. And a little bit more pepper, y'all. Alright. And mix back up. Mix it up in there real good. Alright, so I'm doing this right here so I don't have to season my flour, y'all. Okay? If you don't want to make the dredge, you can go ahead and just, season your flour. You could do it that way. Or you could just season your chicken and don't season, however you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? You could do it. But I'm doing this so that I can get that real, I want, all them flavors just flowing in my buffalo wings. Alright? But I'm not going to season the flour. So I got this so I don't have to season the flour. Alright, we're going to get our flour ready, get our deep fryer ready, and keep this thing moving. Let's do it. Okay, people, I got my deep fryer set up. I got my bowl for my finished wings, with some paper towels at the bottom to catch any extra grease. Got my dredge, my wash, got my flour. Let's get it popping, y'all. Okay? So go ahead. Put the wing in the dredge. Then I try to keep a dry hand and a wet hand, y'all. If I get mixed up on it, forgive me. Alright. And I'll do probably in this deep fryer, I might get four or five wings at a time. You know, depending on the size of the wing. Go ahead and get that up in there. Right? Go ahead and dip that down in there, y'all. And let it do its thing. Alright? So we're going to fry all these pieces of chicken and move on to the next flow. So you can use whatever oil you have. If you got vegetable oil, canola oil, you know, use what you got. But I'm using peanut oil, sunflower oil. It's kind of what I try to use for frying. Like I said, because it handles the heat, and I can get my, you know, I can get my fry on, y'all. You know, and go hard. All right, y'all. We got our first batch ready to come out. Looking real good. Well, yeah, and it only takes a couple minutes, y'all. That's why I love this deep fryer. Just takes a few minutes. Crispy wings all day long, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do the rest of these wings and then come back to y'all to get our sauce popping. Let's do it. Okay, people, here we go. Got my wings all fried up, ready to go for the sauce. You feel me? This thing is coming along real nice, y'all. Real nice. Alright, so what I'm gonna be using this more creamy ranch buffalo sauce. Now normally I would make my own sauce, but you know, tonight, y'all, I'm just keeping it quick, man. Get these buffalo wings out, man. You know, we hungry, you know what I'm saying? So, but maybe I'll do another video where I do buffalo wings again, or some type of wing things recipe or something like that, and show you how I do my own sauce. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my wings up in here. Nice crispy flow going on. Alright, y'all. Got my wings up in my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead, just pour my sauce all over it, y'all. Sauce all over it, y'all. Alright, and I'm gonna just toss them. Okay? I'm gonna just toss until the wings is all the way covered up, y'all, in the sauce. Okay, y'all, so I got most of my wings. Most of the wings is all covered up with the sauce. Now what I'm gonna do is, I already had my oven preheated at 325. I'm gonna go ahead and line these on a pan, slide them in there, and I'm gonna just let these things flow until my beans, sausages and beans is done, y'all. Alright, that's how long we're gonna let it flow. Okay, and that ain't long at all. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, people, now that we got our wings in the oven doing this thing, go ahead and get ready for our beans. Alright, so what I'm using today to make my beans, I got some bell peppers, some shallots, some grape tomatoes, some dried chilies that I had already soaked and cut up, black pepper, paprika, and some chopped garlic, y'all. That's what we're gonna need for our beans, y'all. Okay? So let's get this thing popping. Okay, y'all, I got everything chopped up just like that, ready to go. Go ahead and get my pan prepped. Okay, got my all-in-one pan ready to go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, set this at medium high. Alright, I got me some ghee, some clarified butter that I'm gonna use. If you don't got no ghee, you could use some olive oil or whatever oil you got. Alright, go ahead, get that started. Get it all around my pan, y'all. another YouTuber I'm subscribed to that did this kind of recipe. So I said, damn, let me try this out. You know what I mean? Tried it. Bang it, man. Added a little bit of different twist and flow to it over time. You know, that, you know, put my freestyle mark on it. But originally, though, I seen this on another YouTuber's channel that I'm subscribed to. Who be doing, they be doing great recipes too. All right, we got our pan hot. We're gonna go ahead and just get everything up in there, y'all. Just gonna slide everything in. You see me being clumsy with the food, y'all. Yeah, get it all up in there. Yeah, that's smelling good already, and it's just the veggies. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let these rock for about 5 minutes. You know what I mean? So my veggies is just about soft. Smelling good, y'all. This sausage and beans is going to be popping. Okay, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more ghee up in there. Alright, put a little bit more ghee up in there, y'all. I'm going to also add my chopped garlic. Maybe about a tablespoon. Alright. Paprika. Alright, about a teaspoon, y'all. About a teaspoon and a half teaspoon of pepper, y'all. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to let that rock and roll, y'all. For like maybe 2 more minutes. Alright, get my beans ready. Alright, y'all, I got my beans ready. I got some Great Northern beans. But you can use whatever kind of beans you like. Alright, y'all. I've been letting this go for about 10 minutes so far. We'll go ahead and just toss in some fresh rosemary, some bay leaves, let those flavors get just all fused together up into the beans, y'all. Alright, and I'm gonna let this go on for about another 5 minutes, y'all. Okay, people, that was another 5 minutes. So you're going to move it to the stove, or move it if you're on your stove, whatever you want. Like, I'm on my induction plate, plus I'm showing y'all the recipe, so I got to take this off, put it on my stove, put it on low. Okay, we're going to get our sauces ready. Let's do it. Alright, got my pan set up for my sausage. Okay, I put a little bit of ghee in the pan. If you don't got no ghee, you can use, you know, whatever oil you got. Alright, I'm going to be using these skinless chicken sausage, buffalo style, since everything is going on the buffalo wing flow. Alright, but you can use whatever kind of sausage that you like, y'all. You know what I mean? Any kind that you like. Alright, so we get my pan heated up. Get our sauces in the pan. Alright, got our pan nice and hot. Go ahead and get our sauces up in there, y'all. Alright, y'all. So with the sausage on medium high, 5 minutes on each side, y'all. 5 minutes on each side. That's all I want to do. Okay, people. You see I got my sausage grilling crazy. You know what I'm saying? That's 5 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these off and put them in the pan with my beans, y'all. Alright, y'all. So we're going to take those off. Get our beans back up on there. Get our sauces up in there, y'all. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to medium low. And I'm going to just let that simmer for about 5 minutes, y'all. 5 minutes. Just so the sauces flavor can get all up in the beans with the juices and everything. And just, smelling real good. Alright, y'all. Beans is done. Alright, ready to get our wings up out the oven. Let's get it plated on up, y'all. Freestyle cooking with Streetz. Let's do it. Alright, people, there you go. You got the sausage and beans, and you got the creamy buffalo wings, y'all. Ready to go. I done garnished the wings with some parsley to top it off. It's ready to throw down, y'all. You feel me? Freestyle cooking with Streetz, man. You know how we do it. Alright, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching. You know, hit that notifications, man, so these recipes keep coming at you. You feel me? Holla.